Hello, today I will show you how you can make a hearth garland using cardboard rolls. Take a few cardboard rolls and acrylic paint and paint the outside of the rolls the color you like. I choose pink, red and purple. Let the paint dry and then you are ready for the next step. Press the cardboard roll flat and cut it in slice. You can cut the cardboard into 4-5 pieces and try to have the same thickness for every piece you cut out. Take one piece of cardboard and invert one of the folds to create the hearth shape. As you can see, it's very easy to make a little hearth out of a cardboard roll. Next, I will show you 2 ways to make decoration with the cardboard hearths. Let's start making a hearth garland. Add a little glue in the top fold, then place both ends of the rope loop in it and press to glue. So now you have a cute little hearth ornament. Make as many hearth ornaments as you like, then take a longer piece of rope. Pass all the hearth ornament through the rope to create the garland. You can also add some wooden beads if you like to. Look how cute is this hearth garland! The second DIY decoration you can make with the cardboard hearth is a vertical ornament to hang on windows or door handles. Take one hearth, add a little glue on the top, then take a second hearth and place the tip in the top fold of the first hearth and press to glue. Hold a little while the glue dries. Repeat to create a hearth chain. I made a 5 hearth chain. You can make it the length you like, and as you can see, I alternate purple and red hearth. Take a piece of rope, fold it in the middle and glue it on the top of the hearth so you can hang your ornament wherever you like. For a nice finish, I will glue a little tassel at the bottom of the hearth chain. And done, a cute little hearth ornament, perfect to decorate for Valentine's Day. I hope you enjoyed crafting with me. Follow for more DIY ideas.